Hello guys, welcome back to the HTML5 course, and in this movie we are going to discuss about HTML structure. Let's flip to Visual Studio Code. I have created a new folder on my desktop called HTML5 course content, and I've created one more file called index.html. Make sure that all of your HTML file end with a .html extension. Okay, the first line of all the HTML version 5 HTML document should be doc type. This doc type tells that this HTML5 page is designed based upon HTML version 5. When the browser tries to render this HTML file, browser comes to know that this HTML document is based upon HTML version 5 only because of this first line. If this line is not there, then it's an HTML document. That's all. Another line would be HTML. So we have another attribute, so which is called as lang. By default, I'm going to set the language for this HTML document would be English. All the elements, all the tags in HTML must have the close tags. So always exceptions are there. Some of the HTML tag doesn't have a end tag. Let's discuss that in a minute. First, let's complete about the structure. Within this HTML tag, we do have two different sections. So one is head, so another one is body. This head section going to contain all the data which must be present on the header section. Body is nothing but the actual content of the specific HTML document. Within this head, we'll be having title. Okay, I'm going to give this title like HTML5 tutorial. Saved it. So, and in the body content, I'm going to type some static content like hello world. So, welcome to the HTML5 tutorial. Let's align this file a bit so that it could become much more readable. You could use a lot of extensions that like Prettier, Beautify to align your HTML document, but as of now I haven't used any of that. I'm just using manual alignment. So now it's pretty good to read, and so let's run this file. Directly open this HTML file on any of the browser. All the browser supports HTML by default. And one more thing, all the browser supports only HTML. I'm going to right click on the document, open with live server. When you wait for a couple of minutes, our server, our HTML file is being hosted on some local host on port number 5555. Status bar here you could see port 5500. Actually, this is the actual port number for the live server which we are using. Previous introduction video, I told you that live server extension going to save a hell lot of time of your development. That is because of example. I'm going to change the content. Let's move this to hello world. I just saved it and I haven't refreshed to my browser yet. I'm just flipped to browser. You could see that hello world is already been updated. Whenever I save the file on my HTML content, that could automatically refresh. The server is automatically been refreshed and the content is been updated. So that is the use of the live server. The content present within this body tag comes in the render area of the browser. So this area of the browser is called as render area. Okay, whatever the content present within this body tag which comes in the render area of the browser. So where does the title tag data comes into? So here we have HTML5 tutorial. When you closely watch the title bar of the HTML, the browser, you could see that HTML5 tutorial. The same text we have given in the title. Let's change this to some other. Hello world, why not? I just saved it, and when we flip back to the flip back to the browser, you could see that the updated title tag data is being present in the title bar. Okay.